Hello, I've discovered an easy way to highlight text on my screen using Windows 10. I found this very helpful with our reconciling homework a couple weeks back. I thought I would share this tip with you in case you found it helpful too. So the first thing you do is you right-click on your taskbar, find this option that says Show Windows Ink Workspace button. Click on that. Find this icon, click on that, choose Full Screen Snip, and that takes a snip of your screen. Then all you have to do is come up here and select a highlighter and start highlighting text. For instance, I find check 2470, 2470, 2471, 2474, and where's 2475? Oh, it's down here. Okay, that's all of our checks. Let's look at our deposits. We have one up here. We can cross off there. This one we find down here, as well as this one. 2945, 2954. Oh, whoops, that's a mistake. Let's mark that. 2567. That one's okay. And that one's okay, and that one's okay. Okay, now we can use all this information to help us fill out our homework. Anyway, I hope you find that helpful. It's called Windows Ink Workspace. You can find lots of YouTube videos to teach you how to use this cool program. Good luck.